Hey, so just wanted to record a quick video here going over the process of how we can make video creatives for Hatter AI or other companies. So right here is DreamStudio, and once you're in DreamStudio, you can generate almost any image you want. It's really cool. So usually I start out with thinking of some copy and then feeding that into an OpenAI ChatGPT conversation and asking for ideas around. I'll ask what's a good prompt that I can put into DreamStudio AI to get related creative. And usually I'll start out by saying you are an expert social media marketing bot. And then sometimes I provide like some direction around the copy if there's any like bigger ideas that I'd want to include inside of the creative being the final ad asset or post asset itself. So let's go through an example. Suppose we put in a prompt and we have that available in here. These are some older images. I didn't use these last time. I used a different one, but let's just download this one as an example. So say we put in the prompt here. We can choose a style. These are pretty cool, very interesting to use. Pretty fun if you ask me. You could add a negative prompt. So if there's some words that have like two meanings, I'm trying to think of an example. Just an example. I tried to do like a Wolf of Wall Street thing reference as a joke. It wasn't really for a post, but we put that in here and it actually put a wolf inside of the image when instead it was trying, around the person in the book, right? So you could do like in the negative prompt, you'd say, do not include animals or wolf animals or something like that. So that's what negative prompts can be used for. And you can even start by like uploading an image. And once you upload this image, then you have a couple options for like image similarity. The slider, if it's like 100%, then it's gonna be the same image. If it's less, then the image will be different. I feel like 30% to like 70% is a good place to start. 30% if you want it to be like similar but different. 70% if you want it to be pretty close but only small things changing. And you can also add details into the prompt around the small things you want to change, like make this in the image something else if you want that, or like clean this up or improve the quality of this. Okay, so I guess that goes through it. You can hit Dream. We do have some credits, but this should last us for a pretty long time. Let me know if you need more and we can just get more added in. But yeah, let's download this image. So we can click here, click download. Download, like this one I said improve image quality. I started with a different one, but I wanted it to be like more HD, higher quality. So we have the image downloaded, then we can go to Runway ML. This is a really cool tool so we can generate videos starting with a single image or starting with text. I like to use this with DreamStudio. So let's start with an image here. All right, so it takes you this page, and then after that, you can get the image you just downloaded and go ahead and drop it in. Feel free to play around with other things in here too, like the text and image plus description. But usually like this has worked pretty well for me because I can get an idea conceptually of what I want to do with the image, and then I can take that and then get like a video creative out of it. So let's see what happens with this. Some images work better than others, and I guess there's some new features in here like motion brush. We might try that in this video or another one, but let's just see what happens when we do generate 4 seconds. Like this is a still image. I mean and there's multiple characters there. So let's just see what happens. Like I said, some images work better than others. Yeah, this just takes a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause here. Like it's okay if it takes between like 1 to 5 minutes. All right, so back now, the video's done generating. Let's hit play and see what happens. That is kind of cool. That is kind of cool, and I do like that. Not what I would have expected, but it's cool, so let's use it. We can extend it out more, but I think this is perfect. We have a certain amount of seconds allotted every month. We can get more, so let me know if we need to. But this is good, so I don't see a point to extend out too much more. So you can download the video, and then we can use this as creative on like LinkedIn, Instagram, or anything else. This is awesome. Okay, so looking forward to doing more of these types of projects together. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.